Sadly, in the Commonwealth, we see far too much domestic violence and child abuse. And today, I'm going to do something about it.
Governor Andy Beshear this week signed multiple safety bills into law, including House Bill 38, further addressing Kentucky's domestic violence crisis. Ranking second worst in the country, the bipartisan measure strengthens penalties from a misdemeanor to a felony for those who repeatedly violate a protective order. Now they face up to 5 years in jail. Is it safe to say that you all felt like the punishment before were kind of like a slap on the wrist?
Yes. The punishment was there, and it allowed survivors to create a paper trail, but it also doesn't make survivors feel safe if they know that that perpetrator may be back out on the streets.
The Center for Women and Families knows those dangers can become deadly. Each year, a remembrance ceremony is held at Jefferson Square Park for victims of domestic violence homicides in the state. The hope with the new law is fewer or no empty chairs at all.
That we don't even have to have a ceremony, or we're coming together to have a ceremony to celebrate the lives that have been saved.
The county attorney's office hopes the new law has two very significant impacts for abuse victims. Doris Lee Gilbert, chief of the Special Victims Unit inside Mike O'Connell's office, believes prosecutors have a stronger tool for accountability and survivor safety.
Hopefully it will more incentivize people who are under court orders not to have contact with people to actually comply with those orders, to do what the court has mandated that they do, and that is to stay away from these people.
HB 38 is a critical step to stop a vicious cycle. But the Metro's domestic violence statistics over the years and the hundreds of petitions for protection orders judges see each week proves the work to combat this problem must continue. From Louisville, Alexis Matthews, WOKY News.